yourself. With the...
Hello guys! I don't know when. Ayan, nagawa tayo na. Nag-start na ako guys. Hindi ko lang kung okay yung bumuka ko, kagigising ko lang. Ayan. So, I decided, nag-craving ako ng lumpia. Kaya ganito lang kagulo yung aking ano, kasi madali ang lumpia lang tayo guys. So, yung ano, yung meat at saka yung carrots, nilagay ko na dyan. So, ganyan ako gumawa ng lumpia guys. Nilagay ko na dyan one together. Pero inuna ko na yung carrots. And then, yung bawang at saka sibuyas ko is i-mix ko na rin together. Ayan guys, kumusta? This is our vlog for today. Good evening na pala guys. Ayan. So, nagbalik na ako sa work ko. So, nag-work ako today. And then, pag uwi ko, napagod ako guys. So, naka-edit ako. So, now, is, saka pa lang ako magluluto ng dinner namin. So, ito yung naisip kong gawin. Mahirap, matrabaho, pero ito yung gusto kong kainin. So, ayan. Honey! The Tifay! Yeah, sakte. Yeah, thank you. Guys. So, yan. Ganyan na tayo gagawa ng lumpia, guys. Shoot dyan lahat one together. Diba? Easy lang. Hindi na tayo mag-ketchup. Lagyan na lang natin dyan yung mga ingredients natin. And then, paikutin na lang natin. Anyway, napaikot ko na yung aking carrots. And then, I remember, bakit hindi ako nag-video. So, kaya, nag-video tayo. So, ano na guys, 5:30 na ata. So, ayan. Ayan natin yan. Para, ito yung takip. Dito, para maluwag tayo. So, ayan. I-mix together ko naman dyan. Para mabilis. Gusto ko maraming sibuyas. So, ilalagay ko na itong buong ito. Sobrang laki naman ata. I think, hindi ko siya ilalagay yung lahat. Kasi masyadong malaki. Half lang. Yeah, once together. Hindi na yan kaagad para wala ng kalat. So, ayan. And nalagyan ko siya ng parsley. Okay lang. Hindi maraming siya. Yan. So, lagay ko na rin dyan. Andiyan na yung, ano guys, giniling. And then, out na rin yan. Kasi hindi na kailangan. Lalagyan ko siya ng spring onion. Lagyan ko na rin dito. And then, madali ang lumpia. And then, lagyan na rin natin dyan. And then, what is the next one? So, maglalagay tayo ng egg. Dalawang egg ilalagay ko. And then, ano pa ba? I think isa lang. Ano na isa? And then, we'll put the soy sauce. And then, lagyan natin ng, where's my sesame oil? Sesame oil. And, tama na ba lahat ng ingredients natin? garlic powder, pepper, paminta, little bit salt. So, ayan. So, hindi na ako magmi-mix. So, ayan. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung ano, kung gaano siya. Ito siya guys. Pinong-pino. Ayan kung nakikita niyo. So, ayan. So, ready na siya for wrapping. So, magharap na tayo. So, ito na nga yung pangbalot ko guys. Na ano ko na. Ayan. So, this is my pangbalot. So, itatabi ko muna siya dyan. And, dito muna tayo. Tubig ako dito. Pang natin. Pang sara. And then, may itong brush, gagamitin ko pang brush siya. Ayan natin. So, ganito ako magbalot ng aking lumpia. Pinong-pino yung lumpia natin. Yan. Yan. And then, basain ko lang. Okay din kung itlog gagamitin. So, ayan. Ayan na siya. So, ayan guys. Tatapos na akong nagbalot. So, ito lang yung aking nagawa. Good for 2 person lang. So, ayan. Yung kay Peter, sisit aside natin. Kasi gagawa tayo ng lumpiang taupo para sa kanya. Ayan guys, dito ko na din lang siya gagawin. The same procedure din lang tulad ng ginawa natin kanina. Mix ko lang yan and then paikutin natin and then tapos na. Okay, so lagyan natin ng bawang, sibuyas, ayan, spring onion ulit, parsley, and then lalagyan ko siya ng cabbage. So, kaya ano ko lang muna saglit. Mix ko muna ito saglit. Ayan. Para natin. Kasi hindi siya pwedeng mag-grilled ng maigi. Kaya hindi ko siya sinabay. And then, nalagyan ko na rin siya ng sesame oil, salt, and then paminta. Garlic powder. And that is alles. And then, lagyan natin ng soy sauce. Baka na si Batman, yeah. And then, so, i-mix natin ulit. Ayan, okay na siya guys. Ganito siya guys. Kasi ano naman, this is plant-based lumpia. So, ganyan lang siya. So, ayan. So, ibabalot na natin siya. Ayan. Now, look. Peter is making the lumpia. You already make this one?
Good, eh?
Oh, so you know how to make it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I know.
Yeah. Yes, perfect.
Perfect not. I do my best.
No, it's already good. Making your own lumpia. Yeah. And later you can fry your own lumpia.
Yeah. Oh, that is easy.
Yeah. I'm going to help Peter because
It goes too fast.
he is langsam. He is slow.
Ja, langzaam.
Langsam. So we are teamwork now. Wait. Do you think it's enough the wrapper?
Yeah, I think not too much of this.
Okay naman yung balot niya guys, kaso hindi tight.
Look, we not have enough of this.
Oh,
I think 1 or 2 you keep.
okay. This is the one Peter make. Para lang siyang nagbalot ng ano ba yun, yung banana. And this is my lumpia. Parang ewan.
Thick banana.
Ano ba yung turon? Para siya nagbalot ng turon. Ayan.
Kalau turon minsan.
Yeah.
We're gonna ask which one is better. Mine.
Is this enough? Yeah. Malalaki kasi yung ginawa niya. So, you make it bigger. The size.
I have more lumpias then.
Yeah. So,
If I put less, there's more lumpia.
yeah. But you make it fruit.
The last one now.
Yeah. So, hindi na namin gagamitin ito natirang tatlo. I think we have one more.
Yeah, the last one.
Yeah.
You?
Ready?
Yeah, make it.
I can also
Make
do
it.
it. I can do it now.
Wait. Everything. Finish. Teamwork.
So we have we don't need to use this one. We don't have to.
Teamwork.
Now ready to fry.
Yeah. But not today.
This one no need. So we decided to eat this one tomorrow night kasi may pagkain pa kami guys. So we're going to put in the fridge, freezer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we put that.
Teamwork. Diligpitin namin yung balat namin naggawa ng lumpia guys. We don't need to use the dishwashing.
No. Not much.
Because this one I'm not gonna put more water. So I will drain it. nag-wash yung taga-hugas ko. Sabi niya, hindi na daw kailangan ilagay sa... Kung ako yan guys, nilagay ko na sa dishwashing. Pero gusto niya hugasan. Sumisipag si Hani ko. Patapos naman na siya. Kaya hindi namin kinain muna yung lumpia namin guys kasi we don't have what we call on this? We don't have I forgot to buy the sauce for lumpia. Ang akala ko mayroon pa kami sa fridge. Pero wala na pala. So we gonna eat tomorrow the lumpia. So mayroon pa naman kaming food from yesterday, so yun na lang kinain namin. So talagang hugasan ni Peter lahat. So ayan. Finish. And that is for today guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye guys.
Until next one guys. Bye bye. Hindi pa siya tapos. Cleaning pa siya. Oh, you make it dry everything there. Now Peter is eating the lumpia. Diyan na siya kumain, guys. So, update.
Yan ang food.
Yeah, yan ang dinner niya. So, diyan na rin siya na kumain. Hindi na sa table. Kasi kumain na rin kami ni Kyle. Nahuli na siya and we are watching the... I don't know what is the title of that. Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, tastes good?
Yeah.
Crunchy?
Yeah.
Okay, enjoy.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, yun lamang guys, ang aming update sa lumpia ni Peter. So, hindi kasi ako nakapag-vlog today. So, yun na lang yung vlog natin. Gumawa pala ako today ng pakbat guys. Pero hindi ako wala ako sa mood. Hindi ako nag-video. So, I will gonna make it video about that some other day. Yeah, so ayan. So, in my honey eating in the living room. So,
watching TV.
Watching TV. And we are drinking the tea.
Yeah.
Time check is mag 7 o'clock na guys. But still
6:30.
5.
6:30.
Oh, 6:30.